This is my first unboxing. Subscribe, like and leave your comment. Thank you. This is the tempered glass box. It is made from metal. Inside there is an envelope, black color. All metallic. Very nice box. Here is the container and the envelope of the tempered glass. Tempered glass envelope, WK design. Very nice. Inside there is another envelope, white color, polyester, protect the tempered glass. Here the tempered glass with all holes for all the sensors and the camera. Is edge design, perfect for S9. Tools, what are inside. I'll open it to see more. Here are the wipes, the adhesives and the cleaner for the dust. Thank you